And there they go. And ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the display by the Tiger 9.
Thank you so much to the whole team and to Tim for describing it so well for us, and what a delightful interlude that was. And as I said yesterday, Tim, one special pleasure seeing David's sister at Duxford in his own aeroplane for the first time, because when he's displayed for the team here before, it's been in a borrowed aircraft. But his has newly been restored, hasn't it?
It has been restored, nut and bolt. It is the most beautiful, pristine Tiger Wolf in humanity right now.
The other thing that struck me is if you took a flight in the silver Classic Wings Dragon Rapide, that's the one that David flew to Cape Town a couple of years after he flew his Tiger to Australia.
Right, he used to co-own it,
yes. Yes, indeed. A lot of circular activity in the air displays. Tim, thank you so much. Getting into the air now, we have the two Strike Masters. See some classic jet activity in our flying programmes here, and it comes courtesy of these two BAC, British Aircraft Corporation 167 Strike Masters. They're operated by a company called North Wales Military Aviation Services, and they're based at Harden Airport near Chester, a large Airbus manufacturing site.
Over there, near the red.
If you thought when these aircraft took off,
I was over there.
looks like
did you see
a
me
jet
looking for a
Provost,
tornado?
well, you'd be
I was
partially
looking for one
right,
of
but
them,
this is
didn't
quite a
get to find
heavily developed variant of that classic jet trainer. It was very successful on the export market, the jet Provost.
That way somewhere.
And some operators
Where?
decided to use its capabilities even further.
I'm gonna go see if I can. No, stay here. My dad told you.
The countries that
there they are.
Perhaps didn't have the spending power to introduce dedicated combat types of their own. Here come the two Strike Masters in from the right for their first pass with smoke on.